Now let's solve the next question from linear algebra. The question is saying that consider a real matrix A is equal to this matrix, then what is the largest eigenvalue of the matrix A? So इस question को solve करने के लिए if you are trying to find out all the eigenvalues of A, क्योंकि एक 4x4 ऑर्डर का मैट्रिक्स है, so A मैट्रिक्स का तो 4 eigenvalue होगा, and if you are trying to find out its characteristic polynomial, then that would be a 4-degree polynomial, and if you try to find out the roots of the characteristic polynomial, that would be very complicated. So but we can bypass that process by a key result. क्या है वो result? For क्योंकि as you can see all the elements of this elements मतलब जो नंबर दिया हुआ है A मैट्रिक्स का, that is they are all non-negative. अगर if you have a matrix A which is an n by n order matrix Aij, where Aij's are all non-negative, मतलब greater equal to 0, in that case if lambda is an eigenvalue of the matrix A, then mod of lambda मतलब lambda का जो absolute value है that is less equals to maximum of sum of A 1j, sum of A 2j, sum of A nj, मतलब हर रो का अगर आप सम निकालोगे तो सम का जो मैक्सिमम होगा उससे छोटा ही होगा किसी भी आइगन वैल्यू का mod value. So in that purpose, let's find out the sum of all rows of this matrix. If you add all the elements 29, 0, 55, 17, you would get 101. Again, if you add all the elements, you would get 101. This is 101. This is 101. So what I can say that the maximum possible eigenvalue is 101. So I can eliminate option 3 and option 4. Now I am left with the two options, 101 and 67. Now now let's write down the matrix. Now let's 29 minus x, determinant 29 minus x, 0, 55, 17, 1, 28, 46, 26, 17, 28 minus x, my bad, 13, 33 minus x, 38, and 21, 67, 0, 13 minus x. ठीक है ना? If you equate that with 0, now as determinant में हम किसी भी रो को किसी भी रो और किसी भी कॉलम को किसी भी कॉलम के साथ ऐड कर सकते हैं. If you add all the columns, मतलब if you add like this, if you add all the columns in the first column, then you would get 101 minus x, 0, 55, 17, again 101 minus x, 28 minus x, 46, 26, 101 minus x, 13, 33 minus x, 38, 101 minus x, 67, 0, 13 minus x. ठीक है ना? Equal to 0. So if you take 101 minus x common from the first column, in that case you can say 101 is an eigenvalue of this matrix. So इस matrix का तो 101 एक eigenvalue होगा, and that is the maximum eigenvalue of this matrix. So 1 is the correct option. Now let's move on to the next question.